Hi everyone, my name is Kate and welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to talk to you about the ways you can reduce your environmental footprint at the dentist, because going to the dentist in general, medicine is a very wasteful area, but there are little tiny things that we can all do to reduce this waste slightly. It's not going to be anything huge, but still I think it makes a difference. So the item number one might be a very weird one for some of you, that it would be weird I even mention it, but seriously, I do personally know some people that go to the dentist and they are too lazy to just bring their own toothbrush, and they buy the small one-use toothbrush at the dentist, then just throw it away, and it's super wasteful. I do have bamboo toothbrush, and alongside with it I have a bamboo case to go with it, so I just go inside and closes, and that way it's very hygienic. They're both very light, so you don't really feel carrying it at all. Another one is toothpaste, and for those of you that are like, yeah, I don't want to carry much, that's a great option. Those are toothpaste tubs. They are very light, obviously. You can just take one or two, how much you think you will need to brush your teeth at the dentist, so maybe like 2 or 3 is a good option to have at hand just in case. And what I do, I don't even have a separate container for them. I just pop them into the bamboo case with my toothbrush and just close it, and I'm good to go. And those are, I would say, the basics you have to do when you go to the dentist. And now going one step further, there are the 2 items that I started taking recently. A small cup, I would recommend you a small jar, a small cup to take with you, to use instead of those plastic cups when they put the water in. And last but not least is small towels. And usually they use this bib that they're just single use, and so what I do, I have just small square towel. It's basically exactly the size of the bib they have at the dentist, and they just clip it in, and yeah, then I take it home and I can wash it and reuse it over and over again, so there is no more waste created. And I just roll the toothbrush case in the towel like so, and then I put it in the jar, and it takes literally very little space. And obviously those changes are not extremely huge, but if you add up several trips to the dentist and the waste you could create and you would avoid by using those items, I think it is going to add up. But anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so I can see you in the next video. And if you would like to go through it again, I did post the same content just in writing on my website, a link to which you can find in the description down below, or in the the other way around, in the description down below or up here. That's it for today though. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!